Hey y'all, I want to show you one of my very favorite dips. This is so quick and easy to put together. You can do it the day before you need it. And I want to introduce you to some new friends of mine. What I have so far is 1/8 ounce block of cream cheese that I have let soften, and I've kind of beat it with my hand mixer here. And I'm going to use about a tablespoon of some homemade ranch seasoning. Now you can use a store-bought if you like. But if you want the homemade one, that recipe is in my cookbook. And one recipe of mine equals one envelope. I'm just going to put that in there like that. And I'm going to go ahead and let this get well acquainted, as Mimi would say, down in that cream cheese. Now to this, I have 4 ounces altogether. I have 2 ounces of Sharp Cheddar cheese. I have 2 ounces of pepper jack. Now this is where you have to know your crowd. If you have a lot of kids and everything, or people that don't care for hot, you can adjust that and just use a regular smoked Gouda. Any smoked cheeses are so good in a recipe like this. I'm gonna get this mixed up. And I'm going to wipe down these edges, and I'm going to tell you about this new company. I first was acquainted with them whenever I saw my friend Joyce from Home with the Halsteads was making something that looked so delicious. And then she reached out to me, Natalie, from Burton Brambles from Georgia, and they also have a farm in Tennessee, and they are blackberry and blueberry farmers. And all of their berries are picked by them. Natalie and Frank are out there in the fields all the time, and they care deeply about this. They're first generation farmers that just have a passion for what they're doing. And I come from a long line of farmers, and I'm just digging it. I think they're the sweetest people. Absolutely. And I'll put their website on here, and you can go and look see what all they have. They carry jams and jellies and cobbler mixes. How easy was that? Cobbler mixes and syrups. And it has a lot of recipes on their site. Looks delicious. Okay, now one way you can serve this, if you're going to have a football gathering or tailgate or something like that, you can put them in individual little dishes like this, and somebody can just come by and grab it and go. But since we're hanging around the house, I'm just going to put it in this dish right here. And you don't have to bake this, you don't have to do any of that kind of stuff, y'all. You can just whip it together, put it in the refrigerator, and let it set overnight, and that'll let all those ranch seasonings wake up, get hydrated and everything. Let's just get all of this out of here. Okay, let me get a knife to help. I think I could absolutely live on appetizer food, y'all. Are y'all that same way? That's my very favorite thing to do. Now, whenever I put this in my new cookbook, I'm going to double this recipe. But since it's just the two of us, I don't need enough to feed the entire football team. So, I'm just going to make a small helping for us. There we go. Get all this goodie off of here. All right, and there we go. Now to this, I'm going to add, so I have a strawberry pepper jelly and a blackberry pepper jelly, and I'm so excited today we're going to try the blackberry pepper jelly. It has such a good flavor. And we're just going to spoon this on top. Then you can put some plastic wrap on top of it. Oh, y'all, their stuff is so good. Everything tastes fresh, and they have steak sauces. They have barbecue sauces. They have gift boxes for that man in your life that it's hard to buy for. Don't we all have one of those? They sure are sweet people. Just gonna get this, and you can use as much or as little as you would like, because you've got to know your crowd, y'all. It's what we say all of the time. Now, I do recommend that you let this sit in the refrigerator overnight, but we've got to get us a bite of this. We sure do. So let's just get us just a little bite of this. And you can put this on your favorite cracker or chip. Y'all, I cannot tell you how delicious this is. It tastes so fresh. One of the things that she gifted me in my little box, you know, I'm a sucker for pretty packaging, and it comes to you beautifully packed. It made it all the way from Georgia to Arkansas, and not a single thing broke. They have seedless blackberry jam, and I have my Aunt Amy's jam cake recipe, and I'm so excited that we're gonna be making that over Christmas. Okay, y'all, I'll put a link, and you can go and check them out and meet their beautiful 2 little girls that are precious. So I'll see you next time. Check them out, make this, and I'll put a link to my cookbook also. I'll see you next time. I hope your team wins, and unless you're playing Arkansas, and not so much then. See you next time. Bye, y'all.